Hi, I'm Alan.
Hi, I'm Kaz. Welcome back to the channel.
In this series we'll be exploring some of the nicest areas of the Shropshire Hills by van and by foot.
And today we are in Shrewsbury.
We also go in search of wild horses on the highest point in Shropshire. We find amazing urban park-ups and we go exploring the ancient town of Shrewsbury in the heart of the Shropshire Hills, UK. Hit the subscribe button with new videos every Sunday.
Morning guys, this is our little park up for the night. It was a nice little park up, hidden somewhere in the Shropshire Hills. Although we did have a bit of a numpty, drove past in the middle of the night. Beep, 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 beep.
It's about midnight, wasn't it?
Oh, trying to wake us all up. I mean, what is the point in that? That's just the kind of guy that would drive past you when there's a really big puddle and make you really wet and find that hilarious.
It's a cracking view though.
But yeah, look at this view this morning, guys.
You couldn't see a lot of it last night because of the fog, could you? But it's cracking. Morning guys, we're in the Shropshire Hills this morning, hiking up to Brown Clee, and this is, despite what you might see, this is a British summer. You'd be forgiven for thinking it's mid-October, but it's not, it's a British summer. A few weeks back it was all hazy nights and hot days, classic British weather. Today, it's not cold, but it's wet, really wet. It rained quite a lot yesterday. We hunkered down in the van in the afternoon, and we're heading up to Brown Clee.
Saddle on his back. I never felt so free before. All that
It's a bit windy again.
God, why do we do this to ourselves? I can't even see the view.
Do you know where we are?
No idea.
There's horses over there, I just saw.
Yeah, I can see the horses really clearly.
So this foggy morning, we're on Brown Clee, Abden berth on Brown Clee. And at 540 metres, this is the highest point in Shropshire. The views are amazing when it's not foggy. And you can see 360 around Shropshire and into Wales when it clears.
I love British summertime, it's so cool.
Always the best bet. Plus 150 metres lower, it's not blowing a bloody hoolie.
It was tad windy up there again, wasn't it? So we found this little spot, we've pulled off the side of the road, tucked ourselves away behind a hedge, and 3 days on the road where we've been hiking and stinking of sweat. Guess what time it is? Tucked away in a corner, it's shower time.
Sometimes you got to get creative with spaces. Nobody can see you, pulled off the side of the road, time for a shower. Just having a little walk around, it's called Much Wenlock. Apparently it's a really old town linking Wales and this part of Shropshire, trading routes and all that sort of stuff. Really old buildings there, really old abbey, looks really nice.
Apparently it's a medieval town.
Oh, yeah. Looks nice
So
though.
I just heard that lady say.
Loads of old buildings. So we're going to try and find a coffee
And cake.
and cake. Somewhere that's dog friendly.
Oh, take myself out.
You
I'm
don't
in
get
fun.
took out by a tree first.
I was just going to say that we'll pay £15 for coffee and cake, yet we won't pay £18 to go and have a walk around the valley.
That is true, actually. It's about priorities, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not quite sure what that says about us, really.
So we've arrived in Shrewsbury, the capital of somewhere close to where we were.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Welcome to Shrewsbury.
So we found this really, really cute little park up right on the riverbank. It's really, really nice. And so we're just having a nice river walk with Luna Lou, hoping to try and find somewhere to eat.
Nice Indian, it'd be good.
Yeah, cool.
I tell you what, proper surprised at parking options inside Shrewsbury. They seem to love van life people. If you want park ups, Shrewsbury's your place. The university campuses let you park there. Some charge a nominal amount. Most of them charge nothing for overnight. We found a proper nice little spot for free right next to a weir. Shrewsbury seem to absolutely love motorhomes and vans and all sorts of stuff. So, and the first impressions of the town, absolutely lovely. So we're going to check it out. We're going to try and find an Indian. We'll chat back in a bit. Fish and chips in Shrewsbury.
And it's chucking it down with rain outside.
Kids fish and chips.
That's a
massive.
Kids fish and chips, it's huge. I'm never going to eat all that. Why would you pay? So this was £4.50 for kids fish and chips, and it's £8.95 for adult fish and chips.
No difference, is there?
No.
Keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Oh, what do I believe? What makes me feel it? To write you this song. 2 hours a day, 5 months.
So, fun fact about St Chad's Church. Two fun facts actually. Firstly, Charles Darwin was baptised here. Theory of evolution and apes, men from apes and all that sort of stuff. And also, Ebenezer Scrooge is buried here from A Christmas Tale. Let's go see if we can find his gravestone.
Oh, why do you still hurt this fight? Why do you still?
What are we looking for?
Grave of Ebenezer Scrooge.
No way!
Obviously he's not a real person, but when they filmed The Christmas Carol, they let them put the gravestone for Ebenezer Scrooge in Shrewsbury graveyard, and they just kept it here.
Wow.
I remember reading about it and just walked past. I thought, I'm sure it's this church. It was that. So it's the old Ebenezer. He's good. He's good. Ebenezer good.
I don't think it's that one.
Is it not that one? Oh, it's a different one.
Now that's what I imagined Hercules might look like. A big, strong, beastie man.
Got traps on him, like. Got traps. Big
A
traps.
six-pack.
Small. Are we going?
Two soy lattes.
Yes.
Oh, look at his ice cream.
Posh.
Turkish delight. You'd
Yeah,
like that one.
Bit early for ice cream.
Yeah, but you'd like that if you weren't a vegan. Can't eat any of them, can you, Alan? Brilliant, lovely. Thank you very much. Cheers.
This reminds me of Cambridge.
It's because of the
It's really nice.
river. It's really pretty. That's why I thought it'd be nice to stop here and just have a quick drink.
I think this is one of the nicest towns I've been in. Look, juggle a guy over there, look. I think this is one of the nicest little towns I've been in.
It is. It's really pretty. I'll tell you it's a summer holiday, so can't you?
When you walk down the high street here, the smells are amazing. There's all different types of eateries, vegan and normal and kebabs and meat and yeah, there's just tons of smells here. It's really, yeah, it's an attack on the senses.
Can you smell
Gorgeous.
meat?
Yeah, I can smell meat, yeah. It smells really nice.
Like proper like burger meat.
Yeah, I can smell burger meat, yeah. But it just smells really nice walking down here. It's just really nice atmosphere as well down the whole street. So one thing about Shrewsbury, if you want coffee and cake, there's absolutely tons of coffee shops.
Like if you turn around, there is coffee shops everywhere. How unusual.
It makes it look like that's a fish eye. There's some, you know, like a bend on the lens. But it actually isn't, that's how it
It
is.
sticks really far out, doesn't it?
It's just warped over the years, isn't it? But when you look at it in the camera, it looks like it's a fish eye that's doing that on the screen, but it's not. It's just how it is.
Proper old style record shop.
I love record shops.
Oh my god. So how cute is this place? We've just come back to the van where we've parked up next to the weir, and there's this little cafe. It's called a city park, so it's got a children's play area, but it's got like goats and little baby cows and stuff, and a little outside eating area. It's so cute, it's lovely. It's literally like the perfect park up. Wow, that looks nice.
Vegan breakfast.
I've got all that butter.
Yeah, no.
Heart attack on the plate.
Well, that's the end of our Shropshire Hills road trip. Be sure to hit the subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. See you next time.